Hello students, I am your maths faculty of Vidya Guru. Today we are going to discuss some important questions of trigonometry. This complete video will be in English. If you want to see the same video in Hindi, please check out the playlist. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So, starting with our first question. What first question is saying? Question is saying A line in first quadrant. In trigonometry, there are four quadrants. This is called first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. It starts with 0, here it is 90, then it is 180, then plus 90, 270, then here 360 and this cycle goes on. Question is saying value of cos square A minus sin square A is 1 by 2 and value of tan square 2A plus sin square 3A is asked, and A is in first quadrant, that means A lie between 0 to 90 degree. If I put A as 30 degree in this equation, then it will form cos square 30. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and this is cos square 30, then it will be root 3 by 2 whole square. A is 30. Value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 and sin square 30 will be 1 by 2 square. This will be 3 by 4 and this will be 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to what? 1 by 2, and RHS is given 1 by 2. That means A here is 30 degree. If A here is 30 degree, this is given 2A. 2A will be equal to 60 degree and 3A will be equal to 90 degree. Tan 60 is root 3 and tan square 60 is given, so it will be root 3 square. Sin 90 is 1, sin square 90 will be 1 square, so value will be equal to 3 plus 1, 4. That means answer of this question is 4. Option number B is the correct answer. I have satisfied LHS and RHS by putting A as 30. What next question is saying? Next question is saying 2 sin A. 2 sin A 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A plus cos A. Question is asking value of this. I will tell you this question by two methods. First is, this is given 2 sin A plus 1 plus sin A. If I rationalize this, I take this as one term and this as another term. In rationalizing, sign will change, so it will be 1 plus sin A minus cos A and numerator 1 plus sin A minus cos A. This will be A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square will be applied. So in numerator 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A minus cos A. A square minus B square, that means it will form 1 plus sin A whole square minus cos square. A square minus B square. So if I open the whole square, it will be 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A, and cos square A can be written as sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square. So I can write it as 1 minus sin square A. Minus is there, so minus 1 and minus sin square A, that means plus sin square A. This 1 will be cancelled out. Sin square A will form 2 sin square A and this will be 2 sin A. 2 sin A. If I take 2 common, from 2 sin A common from this will form in denominator 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A. 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A. First, what I have done, I have opened this whole square and cos square A, I have written it as 1 minus sin square A. Minus is there, so 1 will become minus and sin square will be positive. 1 will be cancelled out. Sin square A plus sin square A will be 2 sin square A and this will be 2 sin A, this one. If I take 2 sin A common, here what will be left? 2 sin a common, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. This is also 2 sin a, 1 plus sin a, so this will be cancelled out. So what is left in the numerator? 1 plus sin a minus cos a. 1 plus sin a minus cos a is the answer of this question. This is option number B. We can solve it by value putting. We can solve it by value putting also. If I put a equal to 90, I am putting a equal to 90. So sin 90 is 1. So it will form 2 into 1. Sin 90 is again 1, 1 plus 1. 1 plus sin is sin 91 and cos 90 is 0. So in numerator 2 plus 2, 2 into 2 will be 4, denominator 2. So it will come as 2. So I will check by options. If I put in options value of a 90, which option will satisfy and value will come to? First option is 1 minus sin a cos a. Sin a is 1, sin 90 is 1 plus cos 90 is 0. So this will come as 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. Option number 2, 1 plus sin a minus cos a. Sin 90 will be 1, cos 90 will be 0. This will become 2 minus 0, 2. So this option satisfies the value of equation. So option number B is the correct answer. We can solve by both methods. This is quite easy by putting the value. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? Cosec 65 plus a. Cosec 65 plus a minus sec 25 minus a, 25 minus a plus tan square 20 minus cosec square 70 minus cosec square 70. This is given and value of this question is asked. If I put here a equal to 0 degree, so what it will form? Cosec 65 minus sec 25, and this will be tan square 20 minus cosec square 70. I can write it as sec 90 minus 65. 90 minus 65 is what? 25, and this can be written as tan square 90 minus 70. 90 minus 70. So what will be left here? Cosec 65, and here sec 90 minus 65. If I am doing 90 minus 65, so sec will change into cosec, and 90 minus 65, that means it is in first quadrant. In first quadrant all values are positive, so this will become cosec 65. Same way tan square 90 minus 70, so it will become cot square 70 minus cosec square 70. This will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out. If I take minus common, it will form cosec square 70 minus cot square 70. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that means angle is same. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1, so it will be 1. Answer will be minus 1. Minus 1. Option number C is the correct answer of this question. What I have done, I have written it as 90 minus 65, and I have written it as 90 minus 70. 90 minus 70 will be 20, and 90 minus 60 will be 25. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So it sec will be changed into cosec, and theta will come cosec 65. Same way tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan square 90 minus theta will become cot square 70. This is cancelled out. If I take minus common, this will form cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Minus 1 will be the answer. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? Sin A is given. Sin A is equal to root 3 cos A. This is given, and question is saying A is in between 0 to 90 degree. A is in between 0 to 90 degree, and value of 2 sin square A plus sec square A, 2 sin square A plus sec square A plus sin A and sec A plus cosec A. Sec A plus cosec A. This is asked. These all questions are of recent examination which have been conducted. If I bring cos this side, it will form sin A upon cos A is equal to root 3. Sin A upon cos A is tan A. That means tan A is equal to root 3. At what angle tan is root 3? That tan 60 is root 3. That means A here is 60. That means I have to put value everywhere 60. Here also 60, 60, 60, 60, because A is 60 degree. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is whole square. So it will be root 3 by 2 whole square. Sec square 60. Sec square 60 is, sec 60 is 2. Its whole square will be 2 square. Sin A, sin 60 is again root 3 by 2, and sec 60 is 2. Cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. So it will what? It will form 3 by 4 plus 4. This 2 will be cancelled out here. Root 3 plus 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. 2 times is 4. If I take LCM here, what will be the LCM? 2 root 3 will be the LCM. 2 root 3 will be the LCM. 1 1. So it is 2. Multiply by root 3, it will form 3 root 3 plus 1. 2 root 3 will be multiplied. That means it will be equal to 8 root 3. This will be equal to 1 2 root 3. 2 3 is a 6, and root 3, this will be 4. So what will come? It will come 11 root 3 plus tan by 2 root 3. Multiplying by root 3 in numerator and by root 3 in denominator, what it will become? 33 plus tan root 3 by 2 3 is a 6. 33 plus tan root 3 by 6 is the answer. That means option number A is the correct answer of this question. So moving on to our next question. Next question. What next question is saying? Sin A upon 1 minus cos A plus 1 minus cos A upon sin A. 1 minus cos A upon sin A plus cot square A 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Question is asking what is the value of this expression. If I take LCM of these both, what it will form? 1 minus cos A and sin A. Here it will form sin A will be multiplied sin square A, and this will be 1 minus cos A whole square. 1 minus cos A whole square. And if I solve this side, if I take I can write cot square cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So cot square A will be equal to cosec square A minus 1. Cosec square A minus 1 upon 1 plus cosec A and plus 1. If I open up this will form sin square A 1 plus cos square A square plus B square minus 2AB. This will be the value of this expression. Sin square A plus cos square A will form 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 minus 2 cos A, and in denominator it is 1 minus cos A sin A, and this is what? This can be written as cosec A plus 1 cosec A minus 1, A square minus B square, A square minus B square, and what is in the denominator? 1 plus cosec A and plus 1. See, I can take 2 common here. If I take 2 common, what will be left? 2, 1 minus cos A. This 1 minus cos A will be cancelled out. 1 plus cosec A will be cancelled out. What will be left? 2 by sin A. 2 by sin A. Sorry, this was divide here. This is division here. Division here. 2 by sin A, and it will be left cosec A minus 1 plus 1. This will also be cancelled out. Cosec A can be written as 1 upon sin A, but if I will change this division sign into multiplication, what it will form? 2 by sin A upon 1 upon cosec A. Cosec A is nothing but 1 by sin A. This will come as sin A, 2 by sin A into sin A. This will be cancelled out and answer will be 2. What is the answer of this question? 2 is the answer of this question. I can do this question by one more method. What can I do? If I put A as 45 degree, why I am not putting A as 0 or 90 degree? Because infinity will form here. We have to put values like that. Infinity is not formed. So I will put A as 45. What is sin A? 1 by root 2. It will become 1 minus 1 by root 2, and this will become 1 minus 1 by root 2 and upon 1 by root 2. Divide. Cot 45 is 1, and cosec 45 is root 2 and plus 1. If I take LCM, in denominator it will become root 2 minus 1 by root 2. This will be cancelled out. Same way here, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. This will again be cancelled out. Here it is left 1 upon root 2 minus 1, and here it is left root 2 plus 1. Same way here. If I rationalize it, it will become in numerator root 2 minus 1 and plus 1. This will be cancelled out. Same way if I rationalize here, it will come. Same way I rationalize here in numerator, it will come root 2 plus 1. This is root 2 minus 1, and this is divide root 2. This will be cancelled out. This will be 2 root 2 and divide root 2. Root 2 will be cancelled. What will be left? 2. So we can solve this question by this method also, by putting A as 45, or we can put any other value other than 0 or 90, because if I put 0 or 90, infinity will be formed. Coming on to our next question. There is a correction in the question. It is 4 by root 3. So question is asking, what is the value of tan theta plus sec theta power minus 1? Value of this is asked. If I will take LCM, what LCM will come? 1 plus cos theta sin theta, and this will form sin square theta, and here 1 plus cos theta whole square will form. If I open this, 1a square plus b square plus 2ab. This will come after we will open the whole square, and here it is what? 4 root 3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will form 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. That means 2 plus 2 cos theta will form. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will form 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So in numerator it will be 2 plus 2 cos theta. If I take 2 common, what will be left? 1 plus cos theta. And what will be left in the denominator? 1 plus cos theta sin theta. This will be cancelled out, and it is equal to 4 root 3. 2 times is 4. So sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. And at what angle sin is equal to root 3 by 2? 60 degree. That means theta here is 60 degree. Value of tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta plus sec theta power minus 1 is asked. Tan 60 is root 3. Sec 60 is 2. Root 3 plus 2 power minus 1. So it will be 1 plus root 3 plus 2. So power 1 will be left here, minus was there, so I took its reciprocal, so power will become positive. I can write it as, if I rationalize it, 2 minus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. I am rationalizing it. So 2 plus root 3, 2 to the 4, a square minus b square, in denominator 1 will be left. So what will be left in numerator? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So option number B is the correct answer of this question. So coming on to our next question. What next question is saying? Coming on to our next question. Next question, value of this expression is asked. I can write it as 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64. Same way here. I can write it as 90 minus 43. This can be written as like this. So this is sine square 64 plus cos 64. Cos 64 multiply sine 90 minus 60 will be cos 64. Here it will come 2 cos 43, and again cosec 90 minus 43 will be sec 43. So this will form sine square 64 plus cos square 64 plus 2 cos 43. Sec is reciprocal of cos, so it is can be written as 1 by cos 43. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This will be cancelled out, so 2 will be left. So 1 plus 2 value is 3. So option number B is the correct answer of this question. I have just converted this 26 into 90 minus 64. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sine will not change. Sine will not change because in first quadrant every sine, cos, tan, everything is positive. Same way here, cos 90 minus theta will be sec theta, and it will be also be positive. Coming on to our next question. 20 tan A is given equal to 20, and question is asking what is value of 1 plus sin A plus cos A upon 1 plus 1 minus sin A plus cos A. Question is asking value of this. From here I can write tan A is equal to 20 upon 21. If I form a triangle, tan A is perpendicular upon base, this will be equal to 20 upon 21, and there is a triplet of 20, 21 and 29. 20, 21 and 29 form a triplet. So if I put value here, sin A will be equal to what? Perpendicular hypotenuse 20 by 29, and cos A will be equal to base upon hypotenuse 21 upon 29. And same way here I can write it as 1 upon 20 by 29 plus 1 upon 21 by 29. Denominator is same, so these two can be added up. So it will be what? 1 plus 41 by 29, and in denominator I can write it as 21 minus 20, 1 plus 1 by 29. Now if I take LCM, 29 plus 41, and here 29 plus 1 by 29, this will be cancelled out. In numerator it will come 9, 1, 10, 4, 6, 7, and in denominator it will come 30. So answer will be what? 7:3. 7:3. So option number D is the correct answer of this question. So coming on to our next question. What next question is asking? Next question is saying sine 90 plus 2a, sine 90 plus 2a multiply 4 minus cos square 90 minus 2a. See, this is very interesting question. How can we do this? Sine 90 plus 2a, sine 90 plus 2a, that means in second quadrant, angle will get in second quadrant. Sine 90 it will change to cos 2a. Same way here, 4 cos square minus 90 minus 2a, cos 90 minus 2a it will change to sine square 2a. Cos 2a can be written as cos square a minus sine square a, and this can be written as 4 minus, this is sine 2 sin 2a, sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, and whole square is there, so it will form 2 sin a cos a whole square. So here it is cos square a minus sin square a, and this can be written as 4 minus 4 sin square a cos square a, sin square a minus cos square a. This can be written as a by a square minus b square, cos a plus sin a, and cos a minus sin a. I can take 4 common from this, 4 common from this, 4 will come here, and this will form 1 minus sin square a cos square a, which can again be written as 1 plus sin a cos a and 1 minus sin a cos a. If I will take 4 common here, here will be left 1 minus sin square a cos square a. Again I have applied a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. Now see carefully, I am taking this a plus b, and with this I am taking this one, this one, this one. One can be written as sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square is 1. This is forming formula of a cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So these two will form formula of cos cube a plus sin cube a. Similarly, this and this, again one can be written as sin square a plus cos square a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This is formula of a cube minus b cube. So 4 multiply a plus b, a minus b will be a square minus b square. So cos 6a minus sin 6a. 4 cos 6a minus sin 6a is the correct answer of this question, which is option number D. Question is saying which of these is not correct. See, this is sin 1 degree and this is sin 1. This is cos 1 degree, cos 1, tan 1 degree, degree, and tan 1. See, if there is not degree, this means this is radian, radian, and 1 radian is approximately equal to 57 degree, 57 degree. So question is asking sin 1 degree is greater than sin 57 degree, cos 1 degree is less than or 57 degree or greater than. This is true or not? See, between 0 to 90, between 0 to 90, because 1 degree is between 0 to 90 and 57 is between 0 to 90. Between 0 to 90, sin value increase. You can check out from the table. Between 0 to 90, sin value increases. You can check out from the value. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, and till 90 from 0 it reaches to 1. That means sin value increases between 0 to 90. That means greater the angle, greater will be the value of sin. So sin 1 degree is greater than sin 57 degree. No, this is not true, because sin value increases, sin 57 degree will be greater. So this is not true. Similarly, between 0 to 90, cos decreases. Cos decreases. Cos 0 is 1, but cos 90 is 0. So it reaches from 1, started from 1 and reached to 0. So it is decreasing. So it is decreasing. Greater the cos angle, minimum will be, lesser will be the value. So cos 1 degree is smaller than cos 1 radian, that is 57 degree. No, this is also false. Similarly, between 0 to 90, tan also increases. Tan also increases. Tan also increases. So this is also false. So all three statements are not correct here. All three statements are wrong. So thank you very much. Hope you understood the questions. To see such more videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel.